Are you tired of struggling with other online course platforms? Feeling overwhelmed and undersupported? Well, you're not alone. Many creators face endless obstacles when trying to share their knowledge online. Let's go through some common obstacles together. What creators face when creating online courses. Do you feel that your earnings have always been cannibalized by online course platforms? Yes, that's true. Some online course platforms take away 50% to 75% of your earnings. No matter how hard you work, you still get nothing or little. A large proportion of revenue sharing from online course platforms has a great impact on actual creators' earning power. As a creator, you may think, I created a professional online course with several months duration. I can sell or repurpose these courses whatever I want. Then you are wrong. According to some online course platform, once you uploaded the courses to their platform, you are no longer the course owner. It sounds weird and strange, isn't it? Course ownership is another critical pain point creators encountered. Interaction with students on some online course platforms is limited, which can impact your ability to engage with learners. Some online course platforms don't allow course creators to interact with their audience directly by establishing relationships via email and social media means. That hinders the development growth of course creators. Some online course platforms always run promotions and discounts, which may devalue your professional courses and greatly impact your revenue. Imagine your course is tailor-made for people who already have certain knowledge or certification before enrolling. But you have limited control on course pricing on these course platforms. It will impact on your revenue. When it comes to marketing tools, some online course platforms only provide limited support and assistance. Being a creator, you need to invest additional time and resources to promote your courses. As we mentioned, your revenue has been cannibalized by these platforms. So, investing in marketing tools to promote your course may further reduce your actual earnings. In fact, there are other pain points in using these online course platforms, but what we mentioned above are some common obstacles for creators to sell their online courses. Then what should profitable online course platforms look like, or what are benefits or requirements of profitable online course platforms? Let's go through some benefits or requirements of profitable online course platforms. Effective marketing and promotion are vital for attracting new users and retaining existing ones. The platform should provide built-in tools for email marketing, social media integration, affiliate programs, and search engine optimization (SEO) to reach a broader audience and drive conversions. Offering customization options allows instructors to tailor their courses to meet the specific needs and preferences of their target audience. Customization features may include branding options, course templates, and flexible pricing models. Providing excellent customer support is essential for addressing user inquiries, troubleshooting technical issues, and ensuring a positive learning experience. Responsive customer support channels such as email, live chat, and a knowledge base help users overcome obstacles and build trust in the platform. Incorporating interactive features such as discussion forums, live webinars, and virtual classrooms fosters a sense of community among learners. Interactive elements promote engagement, collaboration, and knowledge sharing, which contribute to the platform's success. With the increasing use of smartphones and tablets, ensuring that the platform is optimized for mobile devices is essential. This allows learners to access courses anytime, anywhere, which enhances convenience and user experience. In summary, the above 5 benefits are crucial criteria for considering profitable online course platforms. Hey, Daisy. How come these people look so happy when working on their laptop? Let Daisy tell you the reason. As they find the all-in-one platform that revolutionizes online course creation in a better way. What is this amazing online course platform? It's Systeme.io. First off, say goodbye to complicated interfaces and limited features of other online course platforms. With Systeme.io, you get everything you need in one place. Systeme.io provides unlimited storage, unlimited videos, and unlimited emails sent, and better page templates for free. No matter you are blogger, marketers, or company owners, you can make use of Systeme.io tools to do many stuff such as email marketing, blogging, online courses, build your own affiliate programs, hold your own webinar, e-commerce integration, business automation, and create your own communities to interact with your audiences. If you are looking for an online course platform or start your own business, Systeme.io is your perfect choice, as you can start everything for free without spending a buck. Now Daisy will go through with all of you how to create an online course with Systeme.io. If you want to have a free trial, you can simply click the link in the description below. But before diving into this all-in-one marketing tool, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart AI Affiliate. Then you will not miss any video like this one. Let's dive in. For the free plan, you can create one course. If you want to create more than one course, you need to upgrade to any of the paid plans. Now we will create our first online course with Systeme.io together. On your Systeme.io dashboard, click on Products, Courses. If you never create any courses before, you see empty in the course list. Click Add a New Course button on the top right of the dashboard. Now you need to fill in your course details, including course title, instructor name, course description, as well as URL path. URL path should contain course domain and course name. The course domain by default is chosen when you sign up for Systeme.io. But you also can use custom domain for URL path. By default, the course language is English, but you can select other languages for audiences who speak other languages. Then you need to pick up a theme for your online course as well as fonts used for your course. If you wish, you can upload teacher's photo, course logo, and course cover to increase engagement. For the most important part, we need to select sales page and funnel steps for our course. Currently we don't have, but we will come back to this point later. Finally, ensure that the checkbox Show Module Titles for Students is enabled. Then click Save on the top. Our first course has been created. Now we will add modules to the newly created course. In the course view, you can see all the courses you currently created. Now click on the course you want to add new modules for our newly created course. On your Systeme.io dashboard, click on Products, Courses. Then click on the course name you want to add new modules. Click on Add Module. Now consider, what should your course look like? You may have many courses. For each course there are many modules. Within your modules you can add multiple lectures as well as quizzes. You know, quizzes are one of the best ways to engage and interact with your learners and audience. At this point, enter the module name and click Save. Repeat the same process above if you want to create more modules for your course. If you want to create quiz for the module, simply click on 3 dots on the right-hand side, then Quiz for this module. Click Add Question to create quiz question. In the Create Question window, it allows you to enter the question. For example, Q1, what is the effective way to promote business? Click Add Answer to the quiz question. For example, Systeme.io. If you have some modules are no longer needed, simply click on 3 dots, then Delete. Then click Confirm to delete the module. Our course module has been added. Now we will add lecture to this online course. For each module you need to add lecture by following steps. Click the Add Lecture button. Then enter the lecture name. To provide instant access to your lecture once the student settled the payment, set the delay value to 0 between lectures. In case you want students to access the course 7 days after the previous one, set this value to 7. Select the lecture template and click Save. Each element in the course lecture can be customized according to your own preference. We will look at these elements now. As you see, the default template content will be shown on the right. You can further customize the lecture page by drag and drop different elements or blocks on the left. Some elements you can customize include text, layouts, media, and forms. Systeme Online Course Builder is WYSIWYG Builder. That means you can drag and drop different elements to existing content, or even you can delete and replace the elements you want. For example, we want to add a 3 columns layout to the lecture template. We just drag the icon to the right. Next, we add the image into the first column. Simply drag image icon into there. Then click the image to replace or insert the image file. Also, we want to add a bulleted list into the lecture template. We simply drag and drop the icon like we do. Then we can modify the content inside the bulleted list. There are other options like bold, italics, strike and underline you can modify. Other than layout and bulleted list, you can play around with other elements and unleash your creative abilities to design the lectures that attract more audiences. So, you don't need to know how to develop a website but still can create some online courses by customizing different elements with simple and easy online course builder like Systeme.io 1. Under Online Course Builder, we also can create lectures with videos to increase more engagement and bring different learning experiences to our audiences. Under Media, and drag a video to lecture. Click on the video and select the video type. There are 3 methods to insert video. They are direct link, custom embed and upload file. For direct link, it simply means YouTube video link. We need to enter the YouTube video link here. For custom embed, you need to know some HTML, CSS, JS. For upload file, you can upload video files in the format of MP4, OGG or WEBM. So you can select your preferred way to upload videos. If you upload your own video file, you further need to prepare thumbnail image file. It's no need for direct link and custom embed. You need to take care of this as well. In video module, we can decide whether the video will be played automatically by the option autoplay. In case if you still want the video to be managed like subtitle, sound, full video display, you should enable the option controls here. Once you are comfortable with the video module configuration, click Save Changes at top right corner. At this stage, you can double check whether there is any issues in the course lecture content by different views in desktop and mobile. You can do this easily by switching the button at the bottom of customizable template panel. If you are okay, then click Preview button next to is Save Changes to take a look first before releasing your course to the public. On the left-hand side, you will see the course information such as instructor name, teacher photo, learner's progress bar. When the students finish the lecture, they can click Mark as complete at the bottom. Back to the lecture template and click Save Changes. Now we can go back to the course dashboard. One benefit of creating and customizing our own lecture template is that we can clone any number as we wish. Then it will boost and reduce our work from scratch, as we have a lecture template now. So, if we want to create many similar lectures, it is a super easy job. We simply click on the 3 dots of lecture template. Then click on a duplicate and click Confirm to continue. By this approach, we can create lots of lecture with similar design and layout. Also, we can drag and drop the duplicated lecture to another modules. Let's say we create another new module called Module 2. Then we drag and drop the duplicated lecture to Module 2. It's simple. We can do the same by repeating the same process again and again. Then we can create the online course with modules and lectures by using this online course builder. Up to this point, our online course has been created and ready to release to the public. Now we are going to create a sale funnel for our online course. Creating a sale funnel is also easy. Just follow me steps by steps. Here we go. On the Systeme.io dashboard, click the funnels. Click Create button on the right. In this sales funnel, we can add pricing plan, and this is also the same place students can pay for your course and access your course site. Name your funnel name and select a cell as funnel type. Select your currency whenever you wish. Then click Save. Click on the funnel and select Template for the order form. There are many order forms you can select from. Select your favorite template and continue. Now we are on the order form template. We need to add resources for the order form. Then once customers settle the payment or make a purchase, they can access the resource. Firstly, select which kinds of products you are going to sell. Digital or physical. For our case, online course belongs to digital product. Under Resources, click Add button, select Courses as resource and our online course. Select Full Access as course access type. You also can select partial access or drip content. But for the demo purpose, we select a full access. You can further decide to grant access on specific date or expiration delay day. Then click Save. You need to add the pricing plan for your online courses to be sold. But before doing that, we need to integrate a payment gateway, either Stripe or PayPal. You can click the link Connect to Stripe account or go to Settings, Payment Gateways to connect your Stripe account to Systeme.io. Once you've finished connecting Stripe to Systeme.io, we can continue to set up pricing plan now. Click on Add button next to a price plans. For the price plan, if you don't create before, you need to create a new one. Click Create a new one. Price plan, you will see it on Systeme.io dashboard and order form. Statement descriptor, show on bank statements. Choose a price plan type, one-time payment, subscription, or payment plan. Type in the payment amount. Click Save. If you want to have more customers engagement, you can create coupon as well, especially in special holiday like Black Friday, then you can have more sales by offering customers coupon. But we will not add coupon in this demo. We have almost finished the sale funnel for our demo online course. You can modify the order form name as well as URL. Also, you can modify the order form like what we did in lecture template. For example, you can include the features of your online courses. Or you can customize the order form by adding or removing fields you want. Once your sales funnel is customized without issue, then don't forget to select sales funnel for your online course. Go to Systeme.io dashboard. Products, Courses. Click 3 dots of online course, then Settings. Under Sales page, select the sales funnel you want to use. Then click Save. Also, you need to ensure all the courses and lectures are activated, otherwise your course content will not be shown by customers. The activated courses and lectures are indicated by green tick. So it is easy to realize. Once your online course has been added sales funnel, you also can further interact with your customers by email marketing. In order to increase your sales conversion, the current configurations are not enough. But it is not our focus for today's video. We will have another video to step-by-step teaching you how to integrate email marketing to your online course with Systeme.io platform. That's how we create online course for free using Systeme.io. As our focus for this video is on how to create online course for free. But other than online course feature, Systeme.io also provides features you need to run a business for free. It sounds amazing, right? Systeme.io is an all-in-one marketing tool for bloggers, business owners, for small businesses for free. Let us go through Systeme.io pricing plans together. As you see from their plans, you can start everything totally for free, including 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails sent, unlimited blog post for one blog, one course with unlimited student. You can build your communities for free. You can have email campaigns as well as automation and workflow. You can have different e-commerce integrations with Systeme.io for free. You can run your own affiliate program as well as one custom domain. For the business beginners, Systeme.io provides all-in-one marketing solutions for free. Then when your business grows, you can upgrade to their different plans to suit your business requirements. There are many opportunities to run business with Systeme.io. If you want to start your online course or other businesses for free, you can sign up for free with the link in the description below. If you don't want to miss any videos like this one, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Smart AI Affiliate. Then you will learn different knowledge on affiliate marketing and how to leverage AI into your business. I'm Daisy. See you in the next video.